Y'all, I just had lipstick like all the way up in my teeth this whole time. That's fabulous. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So we're a little far back. Don't worry, you'll be zoomed in for the tutorial, like really zoomed in. We're a little far back so you guys can see my crown. Purple lipstick makes my teeth look so yellow. So nasty. So we're zoomed back a little bit so you guys can see my crown because I legit bought a crown for this palette. I was excited, y'all. So Jeffree Star, as I think the whole world knows by now, released his Bloodlust Palette, a sister palette to his Blood Sugar and Blue Blood palette. And I did get this from Beautylish, y'all. I ordered this from Beautylish, free shipping. I bought this at 1. This was shipped by 5 p.m. that same day. It shipped 4 hours later. I was like, what? So I am going to show you guys some swatches, some product shots, but you guys, I was thinking, because this sold out, basically all of his new releases sell out immediately, and people are trying to find dupes so they can create looks inspired by them, and I was like, you know what? I can dupe this palette. Would you guys be interested in me showing you dupes for this palette and then coming on and doing a separate video and doing a dupe look and doing a regular palette look to see if you guys can tell the difference? If you're interested in that, let me know because I can totally do that for you guys. So I am creating a 3 looks video with this palette as well, so keep an eye out for that if you guys are interested. Let me just go ahead and get into it. Now, it is sold out, but the original palette, I believe, is $54. Yes, it's $54. He does have a whole bunch of other products in this collection. I'm not a big gloss fan, as you saw. It just kind of removes my lipstick and just gets it all over my teeth and then it's all goop. I'm not a big gloss fan, but I did put on gloss for this. I'm not too sure why I went with the lighter on the outside and darker on the inside. I wanted to try something different. It doesn't really look that good. But this eye look, I'm obsessed with it. I thought it turned out beautifully. It blended amazingly. I did use ABH's primer. But let me show you the palette. So it is a royal themed palette. It says it's a purple themed palette, but there really isn't that many purples. There's 1, 2, this could be like a purple pink, 3, 4, and then this is like a purple black. So it's got 5 purples. Well, I guess it could have 6 if this is considered a very deep, deep, deep gray purple. And it's beautiful. So it's more of a purple themed palette for sure, but it does have green, red, pinks, a pop of teal, and like a light blue, periwinkle blue. So it's got a really big variety of colors. Now, for me personally, this is just my personal opinion, purple shadows are my favorite, and I was really, I don't know, this didn't inspire me as much as I thought it would. The shadows are beautiful, his formula is beautiful, pigmentation, blendability, opaqueness, like everything's beautiful in that aspect. I just feel like these colors don't inspire me as much as his other palettes did. And that's just my opinion, and I mean, I'm still going to create a lot of looks with them because they are really beautiful shadows, but I just wasn't as inspired by this as I thought I would be when I got it in person. I did find this in my collection because I was like, wait, I think I actually have similar colors to these. So here's what I found. I recently got this little sweater weather palette from Ipsy from Midas Cosmetics, and I found that there is a lot of similarities between these colors right here. Now, they're not completely similar, but they are pretty similar. And if you guys wanted me to do some dupes for you, I totally could. So you can see the colors that were similar. I held them up. But let me go ahead and swatch this palette for you real quick. I'll show you some product shots, and then we can go ahead and get into this tutorial. So we are going in with Your Majesty, which is a bone white Take the Crown. Deviant, and Beauty Sleep. Next is Wet Jewel, Royal Pain, Dungeon, and Scandal Water. This one is very sheer, Wet Jewel. It is very sheer. I think it's more of a topper or an inner corner shade because it is not opaque. You definitely have to build it up. I did use it on the center of my lid and it was very, very sheer. So I actually used it wet and it performed a lot better. I had to build up Scandal Water there. That's like that periwinkle blue. Alright, next is Sworn Enemy, Pink Magic. That's probably my favorite shade in the palette, actually. Pink Magic is beautiful. Bleeding Heart. This one is very firm. It's very hard pressed. This is Executioner, which you guys, look at that. It's beautiful. Next is High King. This color was so beautiful on the lid. Vivid Mood, Monarchy, and Blood Queen. Now this purple is rich. It's beautiful. Look how beautiful that purple is. Oh, I love it. And the last two are Vile Serpent and Betrayal. Alright, there are my horrendous arm swatches. You're welcome. I don't normally do arm swatches like these on camera, but I figured for Jeffree Star you guys want to see it, but the sun is just attacking me right now. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the product swatches that I took. I did take a couple shoots, one with like my crown and scepter. Yes, I got a scepter. I'm super extra. And then some with some gems. But also, if you guys are interested in the dupes and it does pretty good, would you guys also be interested in seeing all the Jeffree Star palettes duped? I can try and do that as well. Let me know. But you guys, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. And sorry ahead of time if I had anything on my teeth. I don't know. Maybe I'll edit this out if I didn't, but sorry if I did because gloss. For lashes, I went in with DJ Glam, and these are the style LAX. They are really long and very full and very like wispy. And then for blush, I went in with Space Case Cosmetics. This is kind of like a Super Shock shadow, and this is the color It's Not Me, It's My Sign. I think I got this in an Ipsy bag a long time ago. And then for highlight, I went in with Jaclyn Hill in the color Extra. It is very beautiful. It's very impactful. And then lips, I tried something a little different. I went in with the lighter color on the outside and like the juicier color on the inside. So I went in with Unicorn Gang Cosmetics in Millennial Magenta as the base color, and I do have a code for them. I will link it below in the description if you guys are interested in any Unicorn Gang Cosmetics lipsticks. And then I brought in Jordana's Cosmic Glow Lip Gloss in Iridescent Purple. It has a little bit of green in it, but these glitters had a little bit of teal, so I figured it would kind of pull in this look. But you guys, that's it. Let me know again if you guys want to see dupes for these palettes, and if you guys want me to put the dupes next to the original palette. And also, I'll be doing a 3 looks video with this, and that will be coming out soon as well. But that is all I have for this video, you guys. Let me know what you thought of this look. Let me know if you have this palette, what you think of the palette, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! I recently got this little sweater, rather, I hope you guys enjoy it. Oh, that was blinding. And then the color, thank you, baby. Y'all, I just had lipstick like all the way up in my teeth this whole time. That's fabulous.